Welcome to the Network Box News. Sunset for the NBRS3 platform was announced on the 1st of August, 2015. As per our policy, we stopped sale of that product 6 months later, and now we've reached the 3-year anniversary and end of support for NBRS3. The replacement platform, Network Box 5, was released 5 years ago, and today, more than 95% of our global customer base has migrated to Network Box 5 for several years already. We strongly advise those still on NBRS3 to move over as quickly as possible. Please contact your regional security operations center. They can offer cost-effective upgrades and will migrate over configurations and policies from NBRS3 to Network Box 5. In other news, Network Box Managing Director Michael Gaisley was interviewed by the South China Morning Post with regards to a Macau Casino secretly tracking the social media posts of its staff. Michael described the case as the very worrying tip of a very big iceberg. Local privacy watchdogs are closely monitoring the case and will take appropriate action where necessary. Moving on, Network Box Taiwan was at the 2018 Smart Manufacturing Seminar. During the event, Andy Yen from Network Box Taiwan's business development team gave a talk titled New Generation Technologies for Smart Manufacturing, covering aspects of cybersecurity and the need for comprehensive protection in the manufacturing industry. Finally, we are pleased to announce that Network Box USA was named a top key player in the Global Cloud Intrusion Detection and Prevention Market Research Report Forecast. This insightful report, used by business strategists, provides the cloud intrusion detection and prevention industry overview, with growth analysis, historical and future cost, revenue, demand, and supply data. That's it for the news. Thank you, and think inside the box.